to fix time zone cannot be set manually. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, restart your device. Hold power button on your device and then swipe towards restart. Sometimes simply restarting your device can fix this kind of glitches on your device. Now you need to check if there is any updates for software. An outdated software will create this kind of errors. Simply open settings and then search for updates on the search bar. Then you will see a list of updates including software update. You simply need to choose software update from the list of the options given below. Simply wait 2 or 3 seconds to get the option and tap to open it. If you see any updates, you simply need to download and install it to the latest version. As of now, it is updated as you can see on this screen. Now you need to go ahead and open settings again. Look for the option of additional settings. Tap date and time. And here you will see the option of set time zone automatically. You need to tap on time zone, but before that make sure that you toggle the button off. And then now you can tap time zone and set your time zone manually. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.